NordVPN versus PureVPN review. Go to NordVPN, go to PureVPN. In the realm of virtual private networks, VPNs, NordVPN and PureVPN stand out as two formidable contenders, each offering a suite of features aimed at safeguarding users' online privacy and security. However, choosing between them can be daunting. This review aims to dissect the strengths and weaknesses of both NordVPN and PureVPN, shedding light on which might better suit your needs. NordVPN. Pros. 1. Robust security features, including AES 256 encryption and a strict no-logs policy. 2. Vast server network spanning over 5,000 servers in 60 countries, offering excellent global coverage. 3. Specialty servers optimized for specific tasks like streaming, torrenting, and added privacy. 4. User-friendly apps across various platforms, including Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android. 5. Advanced features like double VPN and Onion over VPN for enhanced anonymity. 6. 24/7 customer support via live chat and email. Cons. 1. Slightly higher price point compared to some competitors. 2. Occasionally slower speeds on certain servers. PureVPN. Pros. 1. Affordable pricing plans, especially with long-term subscriptions. 2. Large server network spanning over 6,500 servers in 140 countries, providing extensive global coverage. 3. Split tunneling feature allows users to route specific traffic through the VPN. 4. Diverse array of protocols including OpenVPN, IKEv2, and SSTP. 5. User-friendly apps compatible with various devices and platforms. 6. 24/7 customer support via live chat, email, and a knowledge base. Cons. 1. Some concerns over past logging policies, currently audited by an independent firm. 2. Speeds can be inconsistent across servers. 3. Occasional connectivity issues reported by users. Ease of use. Both NordVPN and PureVPN offer intuitive, user-friendly applications across a wide range of devices and platforms. Setting up and using either service is straightforward, with clear interfaces and helpful guides available for beginners. NordVPN's interface might be slightly more polished, but PureVPN offers a comparable user experience overall. Suitable for 1. NordVPN. Ideal for users prioritizing top-tier security and privacy features, including those who engage in torrenting or streaming content from geo-restricted platforms. 2. PureVPN. Suited for budget-conscious users looking for a VPN with a large server network and diverse feature set, particularly those seeking a balance between affordability and functionality. Comparison. Features NordVPN PureVPN. Server network 5,000 plus servers in 60 countries, 6,500 plus servers in 140 countries. Encryption AES 256 encryption, OpenVPN, IKEv2, others AES 256 encryption, OpenVPN, IKEv2. No logs policy yes currently audited. Specialty servers yes, double VPN, Onion over VPN, etc. Split tunneling. Pricing starts from $3.49 per month, starts from $1.99 per month. Conclusion. NordVPN and PureVPN are both reputable VPN providers with their own sets of strengths and weaknesses. If you prioritize top-notch security features and a vast server network, NordVPN might be the better choice. However, if affordability and a wide range of features are your main concerns, PureVPN presents a compelling option. Ultimately, your choice should depend on your specific needs and preferences. Go to NordVPN, go to PureVPN. Share this. 1. Twitter 2. Facebook 3. Leave a comment.